Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you're fine. You all are fine by the grace of Almighty. Today I'm going to show you how to install Visual Studio on your Windows 10. Uh, to uh, to start the installation process, we will see what is the basic requirements in your computer that you need to install the Visual Studio. First of all, you can see I have just gone to docs.microsoft.com, and here you can see some basic requirements. Step 1, make sure your computer is ready for Visual Studio. So before you begin installing Visual Studio, number 1, check the system requirements. Let's see what is the system requirements that we need. Step 2, download Visual Studio. Step 3, install the Visual Studio installer. Step 4, choose workflows. Step 5, choose individual components. Right, so I will show you everything that you need to do to install Visual Studio, and I will show you some basic tools in Visual Studio. So here is the system requirements to install Visual Studio in your PC. Look, you have supported operating system that Visual Studio 2019 will install and run on the following operating systems. 64-bit recommended. Okay, then Windows 10 version blah blah blah, and the hardware system 1.8 gigahertz and faster processor, quad core or beta recommended. 2 GB of RAM, 8 GB of RAM recommended, right? Because 2.5 GB minimum, 2.5 GB minimum RAM, it will block when you will run but this Visual Studio. Well, let's start the process. We will go to Google and search Visual Studio Code. Then in the first link, go to the first link, Visual Studio Code, code editing. Let's click on it. Here you can see the page and you see the download for Windows option here. Look at my cursor, download for Windows, stable build. Click on it. Save where you want. Like I am just saving in downloads folder, then save, and it will start download, and it's 76.2 megabyte. Let's wait until the software is downloaded. Okay, our software is already downloaded. Now let's click on it. Close your browser and click on I accept the agreement. Next, here is the address where the software will be installed. If you do not have any emergency or any need of changing it, don't change it, just keep it like this. Then click on next and next, and you see here some options that you can mark, like create a desktop icon. If you want a desktop icon, just click on it. Add open with code action to Windows Explorer file context menu. Add open with code, register code as an editor for supported these types. Let's click on everything, then click next and install. Okay, if you want to actually our installation process has been completed. Now, if you want to launch Visual Studio Code after finishing, then just keep the tick mark, otherwise just leave it and finish. Right, our Visual Studio, this is the interface of our Visual Studio. You can set the themes here. I like the dark mode. And here you can see some tools here. Here you can see Explorer. Like you can open folder here. If you have any folders that you have already made, or you can create folder. Search means when you will write code here, right? And you need to search anything, you can search here. Then you have your source control, then run and debug, and here extension, like what you want. Suppose you want to run a code for Java. Here you can see some of extensions for Java. So this is the interface. In the next tutorial, I will show how to write code or how to save a code from Visual Studio, and or how to run a code, right? So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching the video. And if you are not subscribed to my, if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe it and like, comment, and share the video. Thank you so much.